So, I don't even know. Okay, do I say hey guys? Hey guys. Hey guys. This is stupid. Hey guys, it's me, Melody. I know, I don't even know what to say to to make this okay. But hi, how are you guys? I have missed you beyond belief. I don't have a good enough excuse as to why I have abandoned my YouTube channel for over a year and a half. And the video that I posted, the last video that I posted, was completely unrelated to my hair and what the channel's all about. It was just my engagement video, my engagement story. And yes, I am engaged. Yes, I am still engaged. The wedding is no time soon. We actually have some time before the wedding. So that's exciting. But yeah, I don't even have words. I just have no words. Other than the fact that I missed YouTube. I missed making videos. I missed making friends online and talking to people and learning. I posted to my YouTube community, which I'm a granny now. YouTube's completely changed since the last time I made videos. So apparently you can post pictures and stuff and statuses, I guess. I don't know. But I posted that about a year and 13 months ago or so. At the end of 2017, I cut my hair, and I will insert a couple of pictures. I cut my hair to my shoulders into an asymmetrical bob, and I loved it, and I still love it. I cut it, or I didn't cut it, I got it cut. And I loved it. I loved it since December 2017. It was easy. It was manageable. It made me feel like an adult because I never had my hair cut that short in my entire life. So I actually really loved the cut. And at first I was going to get it done by my girl Shonda. If you're watching this, hi. I was going to get it done by her, and she did a phenomenal job taking care of my curls, making sure that I wasn't getting heat damage, because it was straightened, so it wasn't a curly bob. I don't think I mentioned that, but yes, it was straightened, but I said I'm going to insert a picture, so you should have seen that. So yeah, she did a phenomenal job taking care of my hair, keeping it healthy, even though I was using heat regularly. She did a great job. But then after a while, I just stopped going to the hair salon, and I just started straightening it myself because I got a new straightener for one of these holidays, and I wanted to use it. So I just started straightening my own hair and stopped caring about it. I knew that what I was doing was not cool, how bad I was frying it, but I just didn't care. But the reason why I didn't care, not saying this is a valid excuse, but the reason why I didn't care as much is because I felt like I didn't have time to care. I shared with you guys a couple of years ago now that, after I lost my mom, I was going through a really rough stage in life, as far as, I don't know, I was just going through a really rough time. And at that point, it was my first year of teaching was ending when I made that video, and I don't know, I was just in a different place, but I thought that I was getting out of that place, but turns out that it was only the beginning. So I've just had a lot going on, just mentally, and just adjusting to adulthood. It sucks. Becoming an adult sucks. So if you are younger than 18, or if you're still living at home, you're still in high school or something, appreciate it, appreciate it, appreciate it, appreciate it, because I did not. And well, I mean, I did, but it's sad that that time of my life is over. Even college, college was easier than adulthood, and I just didn't appreciate it. I was so ready to be grown and on my own and be a teacher, and I'm very happy where I am. I'm extremely happy. It's just a lot. It's a lot of responsibility, and it's hard if you're not taught self-care. It's hard to practice it. I just didn't understand self-care, and I'm still trying to learn self-care, hence why I am back. So almost knocked it over. So as I am going through this mental journey that I'm kind of going through, I reflect a lot. I'm just naturally a very reflective person, if that makes sense. So I think about a lot. Like I think about who I am, who I want to be, where I want to go, what I want to do, what makes me happy. And when I'm going through this and I'm like, why am I not feeling like myself? Why am I not as happy as I used to be? When I'm thinking about these things, I'm like, okay, what used to make me happy? Well, a couple years ago in that video that I shared with you, I had gained a lot of weight, like through college and after losing my mom, and I didn't stop gaining weight. I gained a lot of weight, and I don't know if I'm ready to do this, but I might do it for y'all because I owe y'all. I gained so much weight, and maybe I'll insert a couple pictures of where I was the past summer, 2018. Whew, it wasn't pretty, and it contributed heavily to my happiness and how I felt. So the first step in my trying to be Melody again, like trying to take care of myself, trying to figure out this adulthood life thing, my first step towards that was to get my weight under control. And I literally had tried everything. I tried everything, every diet, every fad, every keto, every this, every that. I tried it all. The shakes, I did it all, and nothing worked. So I was like, you know what? I'm done. I'm tired of giving so much of my time to stuff that's just not working, and I'm hungry. Like, come on, like I can't. So there's this company called Legion Transformation Center, and I signed up with them, and they had a 6-week 20-pound challenge this past summer. Well, they have them every 6 weeks, but I did mine this past summer, and I lost 25 pounds. So I was extremely proud of myself. It was the hardest thing I think I've ever had to do in my entire life, but it was the first step that I took towards feeling like myself again. And now, yeah, I gained probably about 5-7 pounds back since the summer because, you know, I ain't been eating right, but I still feel good in my body, way better than I felt prior to that weight loss transformation. So I'm really happy about that. So that was the first step. And then I'm still not feeling like myself. I'm like, what am I missing? Like, what I need something. Like, what used to make me happy? And so the next thing that I thought of was my YouTube channel. Oh my gosh, you guys really were the people that kept me going. After losing my mom, going through all that I went through while I was in college, I had you guys, I had YouTube, I had friends, I had a YouTube family. And as I thought about that, I was like, whoa, maybe you need to come back to YouTube. Like maybe that is the next step in finding yourself and finding happiness and bringing yourself back to who you are and who you want to be. And it's been so many times. I mean, it's been so long. I'm like, they hate me. There's no way I can come back after I've been gone for so long. But yeah, I said, why not? And here I am. So I thought countless amounts of times about deleting this YouTube account, deleting my hair Instagram at Get Slim with Melody. If you don't follow me on there, please go follow, because I actually started posting on there about 2 weeks ago, kind of just posting pictures, and we'll get to my hair situation in just a minute. And kind of talking about that. So if you don't follow me on Get Slim with Melody on Instagram, please go do that now. And yeah, so I'm back, and I missed you guys, and just the past 2 weeks of me posting on that Instagram account alone has made such a huge difference in my happiness. I'm making new friends that I never had before with my Instagram account, and it's exciting, and I'm just happy to be here. And it turned out to be the perfect time because my hair is fried. So I said that I started just not taking care of my hair. I mean, I was straightening it with no heat protectant. I was straightening it with no deep conditioner, no protein treatment. I mean, I just was frying my hair every 2 weeks. It was ridiculous. And it looked cute, but it's dead. It was kind of like the perfect time. Like, I got damaged hair. I missed my YouTube channel. Why don't we do a natural hair journey part 2, girl? So I got it cut last April. So April 2018 was the last time I got it actually cut up to my shoulders, or above my shoulders. It was actually the shortest it had ever been. So I'm kind of coming up on a year since my last haircut, which I probably should get that done to really help my hair get healthy again. But It's grown out some, you know, it's not the longest. It's nowhere near as long as it used to be, obviously. But it's grown out and it is damaged, severely damaged. Like I said, my Instagram account, I actually started posting on before I made this video, before I even thought about reviving my YouTube channel, because I wanted to see if I could actually be consistent with my Instagram before I come back on here and tell you guys I'm back and then disappear again forever, because I'm good for that. I'll insert a couple of clips of what that looks like, what my hair looks like right now, with no product, fresh out the shower. On my Instagram account, and I'm going to keep referencing that account just because it's what I've been using the past couple of weeks. I kind of posted my texture shots, let everyone know that like my hair is severely damaged, looking for some tips and tricks and maybe products. I really was looking for products, like what was new, because I've been so detached from the natural hair world for so long that I felt like there had to be new things that were like the cool thing to do or the cool thing to try out. So I got a lot of really good recommendations, and I actually, a couple weeks ago, I think it was last Saturday, I went to the hair store. I went to Sally's and I picked up a couple of things. It was so hard for me to deviate from my things that I remembered working so well when I was transitioning my first time. But I did grab some old and some new. And this past week, I've been kind of experimenting with these different products with different styles to see what works for my hair at this point, because it is very different than my first natural hair journey, which is so weird. And it's more than just the length that's different. It's like the state of my hair. Like it's very different. So I'm not sure what that's all about, but I'm just trying to relearn my hair. I'm so happy to be back. I missed making videos. I missed talking to you guys. I just missed this. Like this really became part of me. And I know that at this point in the natural hair game, there's so many YouTubers, there's so many people who have natural hair channels, more than there was 5 years ago or however many years ago when I started mine. But I just like it for you guys. I just like making friends and learning new things and talking and all that good stuff. So I missed you, I missed this, and I'm so excited for what my future and our future holds here on this channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you very, very soon in my next video. Bye.